everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Sonali Bellikar. Today I am going to talk on pension planning. So let us look and understand what do you mean by pension and why it is necessary. Pension is required for everyone. Pension is required when we have no income but our expenses will keep on continuing. And why the planning of pension is essential? Because we are going to live a lengthy life. Our earning period is only from the age of 25 to say till the age of 60. But after retirement, especially after 60 to till we survive, we are definitely going to require a pension. And what do you really mean by the pension? It is that amount regularly which we will require to survive our day-to-day life. And hence pension is very important. Do you know that you can get loan for everything but not for your retirement, and hence it is very important to plan for the same. So what is pension and who will require the pension? Pension is that regular amount which we are going to require it for our monthly expenses. It is crucial because it is required at that age when our income is zero but expenses will keep on rising, and that crucial age is generally above 60. So today we are going to understand how to plan for the pension. Pension can be broadly classified into two types. One pension is a planned pension which you can plan at a young age. You can start as early as when you start getting your first salary. The ideal age is to plan from the age of 30 as well, because earlier you will plan, you will get more amount, you need to save less amount, and power of compounding will give you a very good amount of pension. People who are in the age of 50, they need to plan the pension in a way where they can start getting the amount immediately in the next month. So there they have to do the investment one time, that is called as a single investment amount, and they will start receiving the pension immediately. Pension is required for everyone generally, whether you are working or whether you are into business. But there are certain segments who need to very well take care of this planning well in advance. Say for example, you are a sports person, or you are working in merchant navy, or you are an actor director. Generally this kind of profession earn a very decent and huge amount of money in their lifespan. But the duration of career may be short and they will have a lengthy life. In that case, what is essential is they need to plan it well in advance. The reason is, if a sports person is there, he has to take care of his health very well. It is possible that due to certain injuries, there are chances that there could be a break in his career. Similarly, person working in merchant navy, Indian navy, they carry a huge amount of risk. Profession which have huge amount of risk, there are chances that there could be a break in their career due to injuries, due to any different reason. So it is very essential to plan. When it comes to salaried employee, in his case, after his retirement, he will be having very less amount available with him, but his expenses will keep on continuing. When it comes to the businessman can work as long as he wants, but again health factor is crucial. For him, pension works like a passive income. So all the segments at different ages require the pension. Also, not necessary people will want to retire at the age of 60. At times people opt for VRS, voluntary retirement. It can be as early at the age of early 40s, early 50s. So if they plan it at the early 20s, 30s, then they can actually take this decision. So friends, pension planning is highly important. Plan for the same. Get started. If you liked my video, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. See you in my next video. Thank you.